So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Samsung dishwasher not turning off, stuck cycle, panel reset. So fix 1 is check for the sanitize and auto release feature. Open the door to release build-up heat or steam. The display should turn off automatically after about 10 minutes. Alternatively, simply press the power button on the control panel. Second fix is manually cancel the cycle. Press and hold the start or reset button for 3 to 5 seconds. Close the dishwasher door. The dishwasher will perform a rapid 60-second drain to remove all water. Third fix is hard reset the system. Unplug the dishwasher from the wall outlet or flip the dedicated circuit breaker. Wait to 3 to 5 minutes for the residual electrical charge to drain. Plug the unit back in or turn the breaker on. Check if normal operation resume. Fourth fix is check for leak. Check the display for LC leak code or LE error. Turn off the power at the breaker. Remove the front bottom kick plate. Then inspect the base pan for trapped water. Roughly dry the moisture sensor in the base pan using a towel or hair dryer. Thanks for watching.